How brilliant is that? What are you doing first?
Containers. Sniffles.
Don't drag your leash, you'll get discounted.
Drag my leash.
Don't drag your leash on the ground. I'm just trying to be mean.
Sniffles. Yeah, good. Oh. Yes, good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah.
He's a can crusher too.
Good. Yeah. Good. Very nice little boy. Yeah. Good. Good. Good.
Just like, yeah, just like Jen did, because he's never searched a vehicle. So just literally turn him around and put him right by the tire.
Sniffles.
Give it.
Yeah. Good. That's a good boy. Yeah. Good. Oh yeah, that was very good. Very good. Where is it? There it is. Good.
Can I run him in trials?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where is it?
No,
where?
you gotta be done.
Where is it?
Don't keep asking for it. Okay.
Good boy. Sniffles.
Google.
Sniffles.
Don't hold him. Let him work it, because the odor's going everywhere.
Good. Good boy. Where is it? Where is it? Good. Very nice. Yeah.